So before we actually start this series and start writing code, there are a few things that you need to install. First is the coding editor, and for this series I'm going to use VS Code, and this is the link for it. This is the link and this is the tab, and on click of the link something like this will open and you can download it for your system. Okay, another thing is Node.js. For this project, for this series, I'm going to start JavaScript by running it outside of the browser. So I'll be using Node.js. What Node.js is, you don't need to worry about it right now. All you need to do is copy this link which I will provide in the video description, and a page like this will open and you need to just download it for your system. I am currently using a Linux based Fedora, so I'll be using that. And once you have VS Code installed, you need one more thing, is you need to go into the extension here and you need to download, you basically need to search this code runner extension from here and you need to install it. So these are the three things that are required for this project, for this series. Code runner is optional, you can do without it as well. We can run this series without it as well. So by the time we start the next, like the actual series, I hope you will have these three things installed.